And I've noticed from doing quite a lot of lives now that people do find it comforting to watch Mum hang. Today we're all equal, really. And thank you for liking my live. That's my favourite. Make sure you follow me as well. Even little things like that when I'm pulling the plant pot over, like that hurts my back. So I know, just even doing something small like that, I know that I'm going to have to wash some strong pain medication tonight to make sure that I don't get back pain. Come along and they're watching and like, what is she selling? I'm not selling anything, I'm just hanging out, washing, and you guys are keeping me company, guys and girls. So grateful for that. Probably have to hang those there. Kate, do not put the wrong pegs on the wrong thing. Hi Lorenzo, Mummy's here. Hi Derek. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you. I try my best on a Sunday in my nightie. No, I don't like bras. I love Sundays when they're nice and sunny outside and I can just get like a wash load done and just hang out in my nightie. That's my favourite. And this has got to be my favourite nightie as well. I just wear it all the time. Just hanging out the washing. If you've come in this far, please follow me here. Like my life. Thank you for liking my life. Golden Star, and I want you to subscribe to me here on TikTok. It's just £3 a month. Subscribe to my VIP TikTok. It's here in my profile, Golden Star. Press it, £3 a month. Can't go wrong. You head over to my VIP TikTok and I will answer any questions that you have, okay? I'll go upstairs in a minute and get some hangers and come back out again. How's that sound? I'm whispering because I'm outside and I've got neighbours really close by. Now, I've only just moved here 6 months ago and I don't want to piss anyone off. I'm respectful, and that's why I'm being quiet when I'm outside. I'm nice like that. My old house, my previous garden, I didn't have anyone near me so I could be louder and chat. Thank you for liking my life, little sweetheart. But yeah, I just want to be aware of that. Thank you, Marjo. Keep watching, I'll be here for a little while longer. Things like washing up, making the bed, stripping the bed, hanging out the washing, sometimes making dinner as well. You make dinner. But I might get takeaway tonight. I think we're quite fancy a takeaway tonight. Right, she's empty. And my water's getting empty. So we need to go upstairs, we need to get some more hangers, I need to refill my water, I need to take some daily pills, and then the wash load will be done. So we'll get that wash load out, bring it out, hang it out, and put another load in. Please keep comments appropriate, otherwise I'll kick you out, okay? So we're going inside, as you can see. I've got my stuff in soak because the boys had a cooked breakfast this morning. put that in there, otherwise we're going to forget about that. Washing machine's on. How long have we got? 6 minutes till that load finishes. So we've got 6 minutes, put in another load, go upstairs, get some hangers, refill this, come back out, put that in there and put another load in, and then we can hang it up. So welcome to my Sundays. I can either do this all by myself or I can talk to you and you can keep me company. God, I've been outside only for a few, like an hour or something, and I've already got all these freckles come up. Can you see? Can you see Mama's? You down a dot on my face. Thank you, Alexander, for my rose. It's lovely. Thank you very much. Drink a lot of water. I love this because it keeps it cold. Like, it doesn't matter how many hours I've gone by for the day, it just keeps my water nice and cold, which I love. And I thought if it stays quite nice, we can sit outside for a bit and I can do my feet. I'll do it off screen, but I'll just be talking to you while I'm doing it. Yeah, so Joel, hi, come on in. My name's Kate Barlow. I'm a multi-dimensional content creator. Here on TikTok, I like to do lives and have you keep me company, and hopefully vice versa. I just basically go around my house and I do some pottering and tinkering and washing up and all stuff like that. We just kind of like build this community and interact.